Hey Birchouse friends, welcome back. I just sat down to start carving some kodama. We ran out. We sold the last of them at the Ohio Biking Festival, and I just haven't had an opportunity to sit down and carve more, so I was getting ready to do that today, but I happened to notice the mail truck stopped by, and our mail lady brought us a package. And this package is from our friend Connor at White Lily Arms Company. Now, I ordered this right after our crossover video with them. If you haven't seen our crossover video with Connor, I'll put a link in the description where you can go watch that video. It's a lot of fun. We did a crossover with him. We brought him a Pavise Shield, and he made us a crossbow. And it just so happens that today's item is related to that crossover video. And I think Connor did us the kindness of not overstuffing the box. He didn't. He did. Oh, yeah. So I'm going to show you. He sent us two types. I'm going to show you the first. A bolt. A crossbow bolt. Now, these are dull practice bolts with these rounded cut feathers for practicing, for shooting our crossbow. This one right here, by the way. This is the crossbow that he built for us. As part of a barter and our crossover video. So it will be for this Swiss crossbow. Now, he sent us that style bolt, but he also sent us this style. Now this is a bodkin style bolt. This is a pretty ubiquitous in use in the 15th century. This is the kind of bolt that most crossbowmen would carry. He did this triangular military cut feather. So this is a bolt very reminiscent of what you would find, as close as possible that you could get to an actual crossbow bolt that would be used by this style bow in the 15th century. So we have a Swiss style crossbow and these military style bodkin bolts. Now, these are going to be debuting on our during our open house on September 19th at the Marion Area Chamber of Commerce. It's an all-day event. It's a family-friendly event. We have classes. We have activities. We're going to have some cookies and coffee, and it's going to be a blast. It's going to be our full display, as well as some hints at future displays that are coming. We're going to have some new items, like these crossbow bolts. And actually, this is the first time our crossbow will be on display, that you'll get to pick up and look at. Obviously, not shoot. And on top of all that, that event is kicking off our initiative, Birchouse Education, Hands-on History, where people will be able, people of any age, anyone can volunteer and join the Birchouse Crew. You get to pick a warrior, we'll help you get your kit, and then you'll get to come to events and get into the world of historical education, reenactment, HEMA, and get into that community. So that's September 19th. We're really excited. Connor, I know you're going to watch us. Thank you. These look amazing. These look awesome. Thank you so much. If you haven't checked out Connor, I'll put his page below in the description. Check out White Lily Arms Company. He makes really cool archery equipment. And then also check out our crossover video because it was a blast. We destroyed a Pavise Shield as part of that video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.
Welcome to Birchouse.